Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on. Before we get into today's video, I want to do a little bit of an update on where I've been. I've only had 2 days I've not uploaded, but I just wanted to kind of clear it up because Sunday night I was going to put up my Matrix review video. However, something happened, my friend needed me, and it's as simple as that, really. If your friend rings you saying, this has just happened, I'm annoyed, I'm crying or whatever, can I come to your house? You say yes. So yeah, I couldn't film at all, which I would, if she rang me again and does it again, I will still do the exact same thing again because my friends come first over filming. So yeah, that's why I didn't get it up on Sunday. I was with my friend until like midnight anyway, and then yesterday I was just like, I feel like I've just hit burnout, and not even necessarily with YouTube, I think with my job and everything as well. I've definitely just hit burnout, which is why today I'm doing a Glossybox unboxing instead of doing a like full sit down and kind of like tutorial. Just to ease myself back into it and not to burn myself out because I have a long week ahead. So just to give you a bit of an overview of what's going to be coming this week. So tomorrow is going to be the unboxing and also a tutorial using the brand new Friends and Revolution drop. It has been announced, I can mention it in this video, it has been announced. So if you want to have a little sneaker preview of it, then I'd go on their Instagram because their Instagram has some pictures of the products on there. So that is what this look is that I've got on today. I've filmed that ready for tomorrow with all of the collection revealed and also a tutorial using one of the palettes in there as well, because I can say that it's all being announced on Instagram anyway, but yeah, this is the look that I have made with it. But anyways, let's just get straight into today's video. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know that tomorrow's video will be like the Friends reveal and a review. The day after will also be a review, and I think what I want to know is the day after that, let me get my iPad out because I have it all organised on my iPad, because this is the only way that I can keep myself on track with what on earth I'm doing with my life. So yeah, so Wednesday will be the Friends one that I've just mentioned. The day after I'm going to do another review of the Friends collection, and I ask in tomorrow's video which palette that is left, or which palettes that are left that you want me to do a review on, because I can do that the next day. And then here's the bit I'm not too sure on what to do. I don't know whether to do Matrix on Friday, or whether to do Simpsons #2, or whether to do Beauty Bay Christmas palette. To be honest with you, the Beauty Bay Christmas palette is winning on the poll that I put up. So really, on Friday, I want you to let me know between Matrix #2 review and the Beauty Bay Christmas palette, which is the Opulence, what's it called? Oh, I've got it on my little trolley over here. This one here, the Age of Opulence one. Between this one and Matrix #2, what do you want to see first? Because over the weekend I'm in Liverpool with my Patreons, which is really exciting, and we've bought an apartment. Well, not bought an apartment. We've rented an apartment for the night. You know what I mean. We've paid for an apartment, so we're going to Liverpool on Saturday and we're staying over. So Saturday and Sunday I'm not going to be filming at all. I'm going to be out of the house all weekend as well. So Saturday and Sunday will be like a unboxing video. So I think it's going to be like a PR haul and like a Christmas gift set, maybe like the Friends advent calendar or something, just so that I've got a nice easy one to kind of upload for the weekend whilst I'm away. So yeah, the main thing that I want you to answer is, on Friday, do you want it to be a Matrix #2 review video, or do you want it to be the Beauty Bay Christmas Age of Opulence palette? Just because I'm aware that I am doing a lot of Revolution, I'm aware of that, but I also did want to do that video, and I know a lot of you were looking forward to it. So yeah, if it's between Matrix and this one, let me know down below. But anyways, let's get into today's video. So this is very kindly gifted to me from Glossybox, and there's meant to be 2 boxes this month. So I think one's, oh, I can't remember it. Or is it like the Dare, I think it is, and this one's the Truth. I'm sure that's what it was. So yeah, I got the Truth one. If you want to have a discount code for Glossybox, I will leave it linked down below. I don't make any money off it, but it does help me out with my kind of getting sent boxes and stuff, because you'll see that people are using my stuff, so thank you if you do. Same for my link. If you do use my link down below, I do get a little bit of commission off that if you click through my link at no extra cost to you. But again, if you do use it, thank you very much. It helps to just support me to get that little bit closer to this becoming a job for me. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So this is what my beautiful box looks like, and let's see what is inside. So the first thing, I haven't actually nosied in this, I've only nosied at the top, but the first thing that I noticed was this bad boy. Might take this with me in Liverpool and be like whilst I'm out. Okay. So there's that one. Then we have our little thingamajiggy brochure, leaflet, book, I don't know. And then mine doesn't look as presentable here. So let's open her up and see what is inside. Oh, by the way, in case you're wondering what is on my lips, because I've changed it from the video that I filmed using the friend stuff. I have got on the P. Louise Achievement lip liner. And to be honest with you, it's quite a similar combination, but just the change in lip liner and lip gloss. I've got the Peach Stock lipstick on from MAC, and then I've got the P. Louise gloss on as well. So let's get straight into here. So we get a little 25% off little perfume thing. And then let's start with this one. So this is a full-size product. It's from St. Luxe. Never heard of it before, but it's meant to be worth £18. It says it's a lightweight setting mist for making your makeup have a nice glowy finish. Ooh. Not only is this spray formulated to allow you to achieve flawless makeup, it also is great for your skin too. That's really nice. That's good to hear. It says it locks in moisture, instantly hydrates, and helps to heal damaged skin as well. That's just what it looks like. Let's have a little sniff, see what it smells like. Ooh, it smells really nice. Should we have a try? Oh, it smells nice. So let's let it dry. And then this is it with my face dry. Does it look much different? Oh yeah, it has given a lot of glow to the skin. Okay, nice. £18 worth? We'd have to see, we'd have to test it for a longer period of time. Anyways, so that is that one. Next up we have another one from a brand that I've not really heard of before. This is Josephine Cosmetics. Again, full size. This is worth £21.80. That's crazy. So this is the Bold Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this one, I don't know what shade it's in. Let's have a little look to see what colour we got for this. Yeah, so we definitely got a nice red, ooh, a nice red shade. That is just what it looks like. She is vibrant. Doesn't really smell of anything. I don't know why I smell it. It doesn't really smell anything. It says it offers the longest wear whilst also being a really, really moisturising texture. Has like coconut, argan oil, olive oil, vitamin E inside. It is a powerful velvety matte liquid lip colour. Interesting. But yeah, I've never ever heard of that before. That's quite expensive, so it'd be good to see whether it actually does last or not. Then we had a product from iCore. This is their Spotlight Highlighter Pencil. This is again full size, and this retails for £15. And it just says to pull it under your brow bone for a kind of illuminated lift. Let's try it, because I've already took all my pictures of this makeup look anyways. Let's put some of this on. I don't know if you can see that, but that's really nice. It's given me just a nice little bit of a lift, a bit of a glow. That's nice, I like it. And you could also obviously use it for the inner corner as well. So I'm just pop some there, because I did actually forget to put highlighter on there. But for the brow bone, it's really nice. Inner corner, it's a little bit too dark, but that's nice, that's nice. And then we have something from Atomicals. I don't know. This is a deluxe mini. This is worth £1. The full size 200 millilitres is worth £4. This is a 51. So it also says, obviously, to make sure you're checking your boobs because it can help to save your life. It says October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and this lotion is helping to support the invaluable work of Copperfield, the leading UK breast cancer charity. How? Well, for every sale of the full size Grabby Melons body lotion, they donate 40p from the sale of each tube to Copperfield as well, which is really, really good. Make sure you check in your boobies, give them a feel, grow up yourself and get to know them so then you know what the feel's like, and then you can keep an eye out for anything that changes. And then, last but not least, we have another deluxe size one. This is Esper, but this is worth, I don't know how much it is worth, but it says the full size version is worth £8. This is 35 mils and the full size version is 50 mils, but it says this is worth £8 as well, but I don't think it will be, because why would you pay £8 for this and £8 for the other one and get more on the other one? But I don't know. But this is a cleansing hand spray, so it has a luxurious blend of pure essential oils, including eucalyptus and tea tree. This cleansing hand spray is a handbag delight. Not only will it leave your hands clean and fresh, but it has a captivating fragrance that smells divine. It says it's quick drying and is perfect suited for glossies on the go. Oh, it does smell really nice. You can definitely smell the eucalyptus in that. So that is the last product in this month's box. And let's have a look to see the little sneaky preview of next month. So next month is a e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette in Berry Bad. So it's one of their little quad palettes that e.l.f. do. I really like them. So yeah, it's a little sneaky preview what's going to be in next month's box if you are interested. Well, that's everything. I would love to know what you think of this box down below. If you do use my code, I'll leave all the details like a link down below anyway, but it just get you to save you a little bit of money as well. But like I said, it's not affiliate. The link is, but the code isn't. So thank you if you do use it. Regardless. But yeah, I'd love to know what you think of this month's box, and please, please, please let me know down below. Do you want to see Matrix review number 2 on Friday, or do you want to see the Beauty Bay Age of Opulence Christmas palette review? So please, please, please let me know so I can get that started for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will hopefully see you in my video tomorrow of this look and revealing all of the collection. But yeah, thank you so much. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow. Thank you to my patrons for being so lovely. I can't wait to meet some of you on Saturday. Honestly, sometimes when I do like these unboxings when it's like Look Fantastic or Glossybox and I have to pronounce things, it just makes like the rest of the video just makes me not be able to speak. Like I'm doing it now. It baffles my head. You wouldn't think I have a master's. I have a degree, a master's. I'm a qualified therapist and I can't pronounce things for shit. Simple as that, really. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go now. Peace out. Bye, lover.